Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox Hot Wheels monster truck glow in the dark Hot Wheels set with a loop, with race ace, and an actual door stammer. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, now we're gonna play with our Hot Wheels set that I built myself. Yay, race ace won. Yay! Join us. Join us. Let's put this one. Go! Ah. Go! Boom! Okay, let's put it right there. Let's go, let's walk and walk in. Let's do cars. Yeah. Come on, do cars. The cars don't do much. Whoa! Let's do road racing. Race ace. Car. There. Go! Go race ace. There. That's good. Okay. Car versus truck versus car. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it looks like this row 1. Row. Fix them. And here we go. Back flip. Oh, double back flip. Back flip. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, and still going and still. Let's do this thing. Purple car and this. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's grab all the cars. We're gonna have the main car first. This is the main car. Wait. No! Oh, it looks like the main car crossed. He went over the line. Go! Oh, too far. Let's see a purple car. Oh, too slow. Let's see a blue car. Go! Let's see who's the nearest to the line. It looks like this blue car is, so he is the winner. Yay! Okay, monster truck time. Back flip! Oh! Make sure to like and subscribe to Tristan. Let's keep on doing our runs. Let's do race A seasoning. Go! Oh, too slow for race A again. We need the main truck. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, too slow. Let's try this tank. 3, 2, 1, go! Too slow. I want to try this one. It's not glow in the dark. Way too slow. Let's try this one. This one. This gray monster truck from Hot Wheels. Go! And too slow. Let's try this dinosaur monster truck. Am I going backwards? Oh, there's the head. Wait. Go! Too slow. Let's try it. Let's see it, Gunster. Go! Oh, Gunster's our winner! Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. You can buy these for the kids. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. And bye. Bye-bye. Bye.